hard drive technologies for your Windows Server 2008 file server. Um, in addition to figuring out how much storage space you're going to need, you also need to make sure that your um, storage technologies, your hard drives, are going to be fast enough, and also that you need to be able to have the input-output interface is going to be sufficient for your needs. So in terms of hard drive speed, that's measured in revolutions per minute, or how many times the disk actually spins round and round and round in a minute. And the minimum that you want for a file server is going to be 10,000 RPMs, or revolutions per minute. It's optimal if you have 15,000 RPMs per minute, but that can be kind of costly, but that's really what's recommended for file servers. Now, as far as disk drive technology, there are, in most workstations, there's installed hard drives, and they're called ATA drives. And ATA drives work great for workstations. They tend to be affordable, uh, but they have some shortcomings that make it so that they don't work very well for servers. And a lot of this has to do with the way that either you can string multiple drives together along a bus, or the input-output. So as an alternative to ATA drives, typically file servers utilize what's called SCSI, SCSI drives. And SCSI drives, they're more expensive, but they tend to be a bit more reliable, and the performance is higher because if you've got multiple drives connected along the same cable, the SCSI technology allows you to access those much faster than the ATA drives, because the ATA drives can only let you access interface with one drive at a time. So once again, in terms of revolutions per minute, you want somewhere between 10,000, which is the minimum, to optimally recommended 15,000 RPMs, and generally go with the SCSI drives, which are a little bit more expensive, but you'll save yourself a bundle of time in terms of managing and performance.